Here I've got the iPhone XS clone, and let me show you how to clear browsing data on the following device. So at first you have to find and open the settings. Then scroll down and open the browser that you are using. So in my case it's Safari, it's under Compass. Scroll down to the very bottom of the list, and here you will notice clear history and website data. So if you truly want to do it, if you truly want to erase all content, just tap on clear history and website data. And that's it. You can tap one more time to make sure that you clear all the contents, all the data. And now you can start using your Safari or whichever browser you have from the scratch. You can start browsing from the scratch. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.